Imagine launching a new business, but instead of spending weeks designing your logo, color palette, and posters, you get everything done in just a few minutes. Sounds crazy, right? Well, meet Xesign, an AI brand agent that helps you create a professional brand identity from scratch. From your logo to posters, product mockups, and even social posts, all generated automatically from your idea. Xesign is created by the same team behind Meitu, AirBrush, and BeautyPlus, some of the world's most popular creative tools. It even offers free daily usage so anyone can easily explore and build their own professional branded identity. You give it your business idea, and it instantly generates your logo, color palette, typography, mockups, and marketing visuals, all in one place. The goal of Xesign is simple: to make professional branding accessible to anyone, whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just starting your first creative project. To get started, click the link provided in the description to visit the website. You can create an account using your Google, Apple, or email credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. At the center of the dashboard, you'll find a text box where you can type your questions or requests. You also have the option to add images and videos directly in this section to include with your query. All right, let's start from scratch. I'm creating a new brand called Brew and Bloom, a cozy, minimalist coffee shop that focuses on specialty coffee and calm vibes. I'll start by telling Xesign exactly what my brand is about. I give a prompt: create a brand concept for Brew and Bloom, a cozy, minimalist coffee shop for young professionals. Tone: warm, elegant, calm. Keywords: coffee, floral, modern comfort. Once you share a short brief, Xesign instantly captures your brand's vibe, ensuring every design perfectly reflects your personality. The system starts processing your request, and just like that, you'll see a range of beautiful design options, all designed to fit your brand seamlessly. Pick the design you love most and click Continue. Xesign will analyze your choice, identify its key visual traits, and generate 4 custom logo variations for you to preview. You can explore each one and choose the logo that feels just right. When prompted, simply select No, thanks. Just complete the logo design and click Continue. If asked again, choose Just complete the logo design. In moments, your final logo will be ready. Beautiful, unique, and tailored to your brand. You can make small edits using the built-in tools, or export your logo in JPG, PNG, or SVG format. And here's the best part: you can chat directly with the AI, just like working with a real designer. Give it feedback, suggest tweaks, or explore new directions. It updates your design instantly. Now I want to change the logo design, so I give a prompt: generate logo options for Brew and Bloom. Include both icon and text-based versions. Styles: minimalist, elegant serif, floral, monogram. Provide 6 to 8 options. And within seconds, boom, I have several professional logos to choose from. Some focus on typography, others on icons. Let's say I pick this elegant serif logo with a floral touch. Now I want to refine it a bit. So I give a prompt: refine selected logo, use clean serif typeface, reduce floral detail, align text center, create black, cream, and brown versions. This is where Xesign stands out. You can fine-tune your logo just like you would with a human designer. You don't start from zero, you start from something already good. Next, Xesign automatically builds your brand kit. This includes your logo lockups, color palette, and typography recommendations, everything that defines your brand's visual identity. So I give prompt: generate a full brand kit for Brew and Bloom. Include logo variations, color palette, primary warm tones plus accent, typography pairing, and sample mockups. So, instead of manually picking colors and fonts that match, Xesign uses your logo and brand tone to automatically build a cohesive identity system. Xesign will prompt you to complete your brand kit, prioritizing the key applications that matter most in your industry. You'll see several options such as social media, stationery, website, or packaging. In this case, I'll select product packaging and click Continue. After a short moment, the system generates your designs. And here it is, your beautiful product packaging. perfectly aligned with your brand's look and feel. Next, let's make some real marketing materials. Whether it's posters, menus, or social media posts, Xesign creates fully styled visuals that fit your brand instantly. So I give a prompt. Create a promotional poster for Brew and Bloom's grand opening. Headline, grand opening. Subtext, specialty coffee and calm vibes. Include location and date. Use brand colors and fonts. Output, poster, vertical, Instagram story, 9:16, and square, 1:1. And there it is, the entire design, beautifully styled with the same fonts and color palette. What I love about Xesign is that it doesn't just generate one logo. It creates an entire ecosystem around your brand. It saves designers hours, helps startups look professional instantly, and makes brand creation accessible to anyone. You can use it for your own business or even as a creative professional to speed up your client projects. And that's how you can create a full professional brand identity from scratch using Xesign. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description below. Go ahead, play with different ideas, and see how fast AI can bring your brand to life. And for those who want to subscribe, the price is about 1/4 of other tools like Lovart, making it super affordable. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.